Are you ready to see the phone that's rumored to change the game completely? The Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is here, and trust me, what I'm about to show you will make you rethink everything you knew about smartphones. From mind-blowing AI features to a camera setup that can rival professional DSLRs, this beast is designed to impress, and today, I'm giving you the full scoop before anyone else. Imagine a phone that not only understands your habits but predicts your needs. That's the power of Google's new AI integration. The Pixel 11 Pro XL introduces an upgraded Tensor G4 chip that delivers lightning-fast performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, all while keeping battery drain to a minimum. Speaking of battery, Google claims a full day's use is just the starting point, and with the new adaptive battery optimization, you might even push through a day and a half without reaching for the charger. But what really makes this phone shine is its display. The 6.8-inch AMOLED panel offers 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support, bringing videos and games to life with colors so vivid you'll feel like you're holding a mini theater in your hands. And yes, the Pixel 11 Pro XL keeps the stunning always-on display feature, now smarter than ever, showing exactly what you need at a glance without wasting power. Now, let's talk about the cameras. Google has completely reimagined mobile photography. The triple lens setup includes a 200MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of 10x optical zoom, plus advanced night mode and AI-powered portrait enhancements. Night shots? Insane. Zoom shots? Crystal clear. Selfies? So good, even your friends will ask for tips. And here's where the suspense kicks in. The Pixel 11 Pro XL has a hidden AI-driven feature called Magic Eraser 2.0, which can automatically remove unwanted objects from photos in real time. Seriously, it's like Photoshop, but in your pocket. Performance-wise, the Tensor G4 chip, combined with 12GB of RAM, ensures zero lag, smooth app launches, and incredible multitasking without a hitch. Gaming on this phone? You'll barely believe it's a phone. And if you're worried about storage, Google offers up to 1 terabyte in the top-tier model, so running out of space is no longer a problem. Connectivity has also been upgraded. Wi-Fi 7, 5G support, and ultra-low latency make streaming, video calls, and online gaming seamless. Oh, and did I mention the Pixel 11 Pro XL launches on October 10th, 2026, so mark your calendars. But here's the twist at the end. Hidden under the hood is a new experimental feature called Pixel Vision, which allows augmented reality apps to interact with the real world like never before, giving you experiences that feel like sci-fi is now reality. And this is just the beginning. Google hints at more secret features that will be revealed post-launch, meaning the surprises don't stop here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which phone you're upgrading and what feature you're most excited to try. Stick around, because the next video will dive even deeper into the Pixel 11 Pro XL's AI tricks, and trust me, you won't believe what it can do. This is not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future, and those who see it first will understand why it's about to set a new standard in the smartphone world.